Welcome listeners to another fascinating episode of The Beginner's Guide to AI, brought to you by Argo.Berlin. I'm your host, Professor Jep Hart, and today, we're embarking on an exciting journey into the world of artificial intelligence. In this series, we aim to unravel the complexities of AI, making it accessible and engaging for everyone. Our mission is to provide you with a solid foundation and enrich your understanding of this rapidly evolving field. Today's episode dives deep into the heart of what powers some of the most intriguing AI technologies we interact with daily. We'll explore the question, what does GPT in ChatGPT actually stand for? This might seem like a straightforward query, but the answer opens up a world of innovation, challenges, and philosophical questions about the future of human-AI interaction. To set the stage, let's consider a surprising fact. The algorithm that powers ChatGPT was not designed from the outset to converse with you about everything from Shakespearean poetry to the intricacies of quantum mechanics. Instead, it evolved from research aimed at understanding how neural networks, inspired by the human brain, can be trained to process and generate human-like text. As we peel back the layers of generative pre-trained transformer technology, we'll discover how it's not just a tool for creating chatbots, but a window into the potential for AIs to learn, adapt, and perhaps even understand the complexities of human language and emotion. This journey will take us through the evolution of AIs, the breakthroughs that have made ChatGPT possible, and the implications of this technology for the future. So, whether you're a curious mind eager to understand the mechanics of AIs, a creative spirit fascinated by the potential for new forms of art and literature, or someone pondering the ethical and societal impacts of AIs, this episode promises to offer insights, inspire questions, and perhaps even challenge your perceptions of what AIs can achieve. Join us as we embark on this journey, unraveling the mysteries of GPT and its role in shaping the future of artificial intelligence. Stay tuned, for this is just the beginning of a fascinating exploration into the world of AIs, where each discovery brings new questions and possibilities. Diving into the main concept of today's episode, we explore the essence and implications of Generative Pretrained Transformers, or GPT, in the realm of artificial intelligence. At its core, GPT represents a revolutionary approach to machine learning, where the generative aspect refers to the model's ability to produce text that mimics human writing styles. The pre-trained component signifies that this model has been initially trained on a vast dataset of text from the internet, enabling it to understand and generate language even before it's fine-tuned for specific tasks. Lastly, Transformer describes the model's architecture, a sophisticated method that allows it to process and generate language by focusing on the relationships between words in a sentence, no matter their position. To break down this concept further, let's start with the idea of generativity in AIs. Unlike traditional models that could only respond based on predefined rules or answers, GPT can create new content, offering responses that are not just accurate but also nuanced and contextually relevant. This generativity is a leap towards machines that can engage in more human-like conversations, write creative texts, and even solve complex problems in innovative ways. The pre-training process is another cornerstone of GPT's effectiveness. By analyzing and learning from a diverse range of internet text, GPT gains a broad understanding of language, culture, and knowledge. This pre-training equips the model with a foundational language model that can be fine-tuned or adapted to perform a wide variety of tasks, from translation and summarization to question answering and beyond. This approach contrasts sharply with earlier models that required extensive training for each specific task, making GPT far more versatile and efficient. The Transformer architecture, introduced by Vaswani et al. In their groundbreaking 2017 paper Attention is All You Need, revolutionized how AI models process language. The Transformer uses mechanisms called attention and self-attention to weigh the importance of different words in a sentence, allowing the model to generate more coherent and contextually relevant text. This ability to understand the semantic relationship between words, regardless of their position in the text, is what makes GPT particularly powerful in understanding and generating human-like language. As we delve deeper into the workings of GPT, it becomes clear that this technology is not just about creating chatbots. It's about pushing the boundaries of what AIs can achieve, exploring the possibilities of machine creativity, and even prompting us to reconsider the nature of intelligence itself. The implications of GPT extend beyond practical applications, touching on ethical considerations, the potential for bias in AI-generated content, and the future of human-AI collaboration. Through simple language and relatable examples, we've unpacked the complex concept of generative pre-trained transformers. This exploration not only sheds light on the technical brilliance behind GPT, but also opens up a dialogue about its broader impact on society, creativity, and our understanding of intelligence. As we continue this series, keep these foundational concepts in mind, for they are the building blocks upon which the future of AI is being constructed. For our case study, let's delve into a fascinating application of generative pre-trained transformers through the lens of a real-world example, the creation and deployment of advanced chatbots in customer service. Imagine a company, let's call it SolarTech, that specializes in solar energy solutions. SolarTech faces a significant challenge. They receive thousands of customer inquiries daily, ranging from technical support requests to questions about solar energy products. To address this challenge, SolarTech turns to GPT technology to create an advanced chatbot named SolChat. SolChat is not your ordinary chatbot. Unlike previous generations of chatbots that could only handle a narrow set of predefined queries, SolChat uses GPT's generative and adaptive capabilities to provide personalized, accurate, and contextually relevant responses to a wide array of customer questions. This is made possible by GPT's extensive pre-training on diverse datasets, which give SolChat a broad understanding of language and knowledge, including technical details about solar energy. The implementation of SolChat transforms SolarTech's customer service. Customers now interact with a chatbot that can understand complex queries, engage in human-like conversations, and provide detailed, informative answers. For example, when a customer asks about the optimal angle for installing solar panels in a specific geographic location, SolChat can generate a response that considers the customer's location, the general principles of solar energy capture, and even the latest research in the field. This case study illustrates several key points about the capabilities and benefits of GPT in real-world applications. First, it highlights the model's ability to generate responses that are not just can answers but are tailored to the nuances of each inquiry. Second, it shows how GPT can be fine-tuned for specific domains, in this case, solar energy, enhancing its ability to provide expert-level advice and support. Finally, the success of SolChat demonstrates the potential of GPT to significantly improve efficiency and customer satisfaction in industries where customer service is critical. The impact of SolChat on SolarTech's operations is profound. Not only does it alleviate the workload on human customer service representatives, allowing them to focus on more complex and sensitive cases, but it also enhances the customer experience by providing instant, 24/7 support. Furthermore, the implementation of SolChat serves as a testament to the transformative potential of GPT technology across various sectors, showcasing its ability to adapt to specific needs and provide solutions that were previously unimaginable. This case study of SolarTech and SolChat provides a concrete example of how GPT technology is being used to solve real-world problems, offering insights into its practical applications, the challenges of implementation, and the remarkable benefits it can bring to businesses and their customers. As we wrap up today's enlightening journey into the world of artificial intelligence with a focus on generative pre-trained transformers, we invite you to take a step further in your understanding and engagement with AI. If you've been inspired by the possibilities that GPT technology holds, there's a wealth of knowledge waiting for you just a click away. Join our newsletter at argoberlin.com/newsletter, where you'll find a treasure trove of tips, tricks, and insights tailored for AI beginners. Whether you're looking to dive deeper into the mechanics of AI, explore its myriad applications, or stay updated on the latest advancements, our newsletter is your gateway to the fascinating world of artificial intelligence. Don't miss this chance to enhance your AI journey with exclusive content from argo.berlin. In our quest to deepen your engagement with the fascinating world of AI, we've devised a thought-provoking exercise that will not only challenge your understanding, but also encourage you to explore the practical applications of AI in your daily life. Consider this: how might you use GPT technology to solve a problem or enhance a project you're currently working on? This could involve anything from automating routine tasks with a custom chatbot to generating creative content for a personal blog. We encourage you to reflect on the areas of your life or work where innovative AI solutions could make a significant impact. By contemplating this question, you'll begin to see the practical implications of AI technologies and their potential to transform everyday challenges into opportunities for efficiency and creativity. This exercise is not just about theoretical knowledge, it's an invitation to envision and perhaps even initiate the integration of AI into your own projects, fostering a deeper appreciation for the technology's capabilities and its potential to drive change. As we conclude today's episode on Generative Pretrained Transformers, it's essential to reflect on the key insights we've uncovered. We began by exploring the foundational concepts behind GPT, revealing how its generative capabilities, coupled with extensive pre-training and the innovative transformer architecture, enable it to produce human-like text. This deep dive into the mechanics of GPT illuminated not only the technological marvel it represents, but also its potential to reshape our interaction with digital technology. We then ventured into the real-world application of GPT through the case study of SoulChat, a chatbot revolutionizing customer service in the solar energy sector. This example highlighted GPT's ability to understand and respond to complex queries with nuanced and informed answers, showcasing the practical benefits of AI in improving efficiency and customer satisfaction. Throughout our journey, we've seen how GPT stands at the forefront of AI research and application, pushing the boundaries of what machines can understand and create. Its implications for the future of technology, creativity, and even society are profound, prompting us to consider not only the incredible opportunities but also the ethical considerations it brings to the fore. As we move forward, let these insights inspire you to think critically about the role of AI in our lives and the potential it holds to transform our world. The journey into the realm of AI is just beginning, and the possibilities are as limitless as our collective imagination. In the spirit of today's exploration of generative pre-trained transformers and their transformative potential, I leave you with a thought-provoking quote from the visionary thinker and author, Isaac Asimov. "The saddest aspect of life right now is that science gathers knowledge faster than society gathers wisdom." This quote resonates deeply with the themes we've discussed, highlighting the rapid advancements in AI technology and the ethical, societal, and philosophical considerations that accompany them. It serves as a reminder of the importance of approaching AI with a sense of responsibility, curiosity, and foresight, ensuring that as we harness its capabilities, we also cultivate the wisdom to use it for the betterment of humanity. Please don't forget to subscribe to the podcast. Your engagement and curiosity fuel this journey into the heart of AI, and together, we can navigate the complexities of this ever-evolving field. Thank you for joining us on A Beginner's Guide to AI, and until next time, keep pondering the endless possibilities that AI brings to our world.